Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, the 2024 Alaska cruise season, it is officially underway. Began back on April the 6th, the Norwegian Bliss sailing away from Seattle, Washington, heading towards Alaska, heading north to just enjoy one of the last frontiers on the planet, and truly a unique cruise experience. Loved sailing to Alaska, and really looking forward for the chance to get back up there again, see it again. Just an absolute beautiful place to cruise. Now we're going to hop over to Norwegian Cruise Lines because they have released two new pieces of information. One, they are talking about their fact they're going to build some new cruise ships. They've actually put in an order for 8 cruise ships, and it's going to be spread across all of Norwegian Cruise Line holdings. But Norwegian Cruise Lines themselves, well, they're going to get some of these new ships after they finish the Prima class ships. They're going to begin building their new class of ship. Now, they haven't said what the name of this class is going to be, what exactly it's going to feature, but these ships are going to be bigger than what Norwegian has already built. They're going to be definitely bigger than the Prima class. These ships are going to be around 200,000 tons. So definitely going big for Norwegian. Now, they also announced that at their private island in the Bahamas, Great Stirrup Cay, they're going to be adding a cruise port. Now, right now it is a tender port. You have to go out, drop anchor, ride the small boats to the island and back. Well, that is going to be changing because starting here in the summer of 2024, they're going to begin construction of the new cruise dock, and it's going to be big enough for even their newest cruise ships coming out. So definitely some growth coming to Norwegian Cruise Lines. And finally, we got MSC Cruise Lines. Now, the last couple years, it's kind of been a thing for cruise lines, you know, the new gimmick. Whether it's go-karts on the top deck, whether it's a roller coaster at sea, each of the cruise lines trying to come out with the newest thrill, the newest attraction. Something to make new cruisers want to sail on their cruise ships. Well, MSC's got their next one. They're calling it the Cliffhanger. Now, this is going to be a swing that basically puts you out over the side of the ship, feet dangling above the ocean. Now, Norwegian Cruise Lines, they've released a promo video for the Cliffhanger. So let's take a look at this video. And that is going to be MSC's Cliffhanger. And that's going to be on their newest cruise ship, the World America. What do you guys think? Do thrill rides really attract you to cruising? Is the thrill ride on the ship why you would book a cruise? Are these the kind of things that cruise lines should be doing to bring back passengers? Or are they kind of one and dones? Do you ride the roller coaster and you're like, I've been there, I've done that? Do you ride the go-karts and you're like, I've been there, I've done that? With cruise lines always trying to come up with the latest gimmick, the latest thrill, is this really what cruisers are looking for?